Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Juena Gogoi. For the this year APSC exams, I have been selected as an assistant account officer in the Assam account service with the rank 214. And I'd really like to thank and give my heartfelt gratefulness to Competition Care because the materials which they provided was very helpful for me since I was a working employee. So the time which I got was very minimal, and Anshuman sir's the various tactics which he has emphasized, and it was basically a smart study because I could not get through all the topics and all the syllabus in that short period of time. But whatever I grabbed it with that smart work and sir's tactic has helped me to attain this position. So I would really like to thank Competition Care for their contribution in helping me achieve to whatever position I have achieved. The main focus area was the time management parameter for me because since I was a working professional, so the time which I got for my preparation was very less. And after a full day's work, you also get tired to kind of have that much of concentration. And but however, Anshuman sir's the various tactics which he kind of emphasized, the strategies which he laid forward, and especially the materials were very helpful. I refer to those materials, and that was what my main reference because I think that in the preparation time there are a lot of reference books which have been said. But then I could not go through each and every book, especially the materials which were been provided. Those materials I referred to, and I could attain this position basically because of that. So thank you.